Guys, I just want to talk a little bit about hostess coaching, and I'm talking about hostess coaching for your online parties. I used to tell my host that, hey, you don't have to do anything, I do all the work, but in fact, they're actually doing quite a bit. They're preparing their guests, they are adding their guests, they are posting once a day. So I tell them now minimal work on your behalf, and I do the rest because that's more the truth. But how do they know what to do? And that's going to be coming from you. So how I host or how I coach my hosts is I have a private group on Facebook, and it is called Stephanie's, I don't know, hostess training group or whatnot, but I add my hosts only. And then a few of you guys, my downlines, are in there as well. But I add my hosts about 3-4 days before their online party starts, and I am starting to coach them that day. So I add them, I welcome them to the group, and then I go into how to increase your party attendance. I'm telling them to send out personal messages to those that they want to invite. I did this when I had my party. I sent out maybe 150 personal messages. I made one and I copied and pasted, changed the name, of course, to all my ladies that I was going to invite. This is very important, saying, hey, send those personal messages out, because when I did that, I had people say, wow, I can't wait to see what this is all about. And then I had others say, I tried them, they don't work for me, please don't add me. And so those people, I made a list and made sure that I did not add them. So I'm going to be telling my hostesses to send out personal messages to those that you're going to invite, and do that pretty quickly. That way you can get a list of who you definitely want to make sure you invite and then who you do not want to. I'm also telling them to post a picture of their nails on their wall, saying, hey, I'm having a Facebook party. If you do not want to be added to the party, please let me know, because most likely you're going to get those who respond to that rather than, if you want to be invited, let me know. So people are more quick and more apt to tell you that what they don't want versus what they want. I'm also telling them to feel free to post my sample link up on their wall or into those personal messages as well. And that's going to help with getting those samples out quick. Sometimes our mail is snail mail, so slow. It could take 4 or 5 days for a sample to get out, especially if it's going to another state. So I am encouraging them to post my sample link on the wall saying, hey, if you want a sample before my party starts, click the link below. And I mean, there's sometimes where I'm, sending out 20 samples before the party starts. So I am telling those hosts to do that. I'm also telling them to post daily in the party. It could be any time of the day, but at least post once a day. And then I encourage them to post more than once if they want to, but at least once a day, because that shows the guests in the party that they aren't with me only, a stranger. Nobody's going to want to buy or listen from a stranger. But when that host is present in their own party, then that is when guests we'll see that, hey, my friend really loves this stuff because she's so involved in the party. So I encourage my host to be extremely involved in the party. I also encourage my host to post a picture with every post that she posts. That could be, pictures of her nails, progression pictures of her nails, or in my hostess group, I have albums of, men memes, or however you pronounce that, cute little pictures. I have little games like what nail wrap would you choose for this outfit. I'm encouraging my host to post a picture every single day. And the most important thing I have them do is post a welcome tidbit. It could be a welcome video. It could be just a picture of a welcome, or it could be a picture of their nails and having them comment, welcome to my online party. I encourage them to do this immediately after they add their friends or immediately before they add their friends. That way, when the guests enter the party online for the very first time, they're not only seeing me, but they are seeing her as well. So that's in a nutshell hostess group or hostess training. Very important. And if you guys want to be added to my hostess training group, just let me know. I will add you and let you see kind of what I do in there. And I hope you guys find this helpful, and I will talk to you later.